friends, welcome to the Magical Literature. You are watching HTML series for beginners. Today we will see how to install the text editor in our operating system. As we know, to learn the HTML language, we require some text editor. There are different operating systems for user, and I am using Linux Ubuntu as you can see. But I will show you how to install in Windows operating system and also in the Linux operating system. So let's open our browser and type text editor. Here we go, and you can see there are a number of text editor available for us, but I prefer Sublime Text. You can type Sublime Text, search for it, and go to the download button. I choose the Sublime Text because as we starting from a very basics, and it is a very stable operating system because its size is very less as compared to the other operating system. You can see the size of Sublime Text 9.8 MB, and you can download and install it. And for Linux operating system, there is code to write in a terminal. You can see there are some instructions to install it. Now to install it, we open our terminal, copy the code. Here is the terminal, copy paste, enter. So it's asking for our password. Type my password and enter. Okay, it's giving me okay, and then copy the second code and paste it and then enter. Now copy the third code, stable of it. Copy and then paste it. Enter. Now jump to this code, sudo apt get update, copy it, copy and paste it here, terminal and enter. And its process is going. I will copy this also. Now it's taking 1 minute. As you can see, the code is done, and now the last code paste it here and enter, and the installation part is done. So open our Sublime Text. Here is Sublime Text as you can see. Open it and the installation part is done. So from the next video we will see our HTML videos, and if you get any error and you can't install, then comment in the comment box. I will help you. And thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button, press the bell icon, and get the latest update, and don't forget to subscribe.